Forgotten username recovery failed on Kaching Fix. If your Kaching username recovery keeps failing, don't stress. Most people get this wrong because they assume Kaching still uses traditional usernames. The surprising truth is that Kaching now uses your registered email as the main login credential, which is why the old forgot username process often fails. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Open the Kaching app or website and enter the email linked to your account instead of a username. If you're unsure which email you used, check your inbox for past messages from Kaching such as transaction notifications, account updates, or promotional alerts. Step 2. If you've forgotten your password, click Forgot Password and follow the instructions sent to your email. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder if the email doesn't appear immediately. Step 3. If you originally signed up using a third-party login, like Google or Apple, log in using that same method. Switching login methods is a common reason recovery attempts fail. Step 4. If you still cannot access the account, contact Kaching support. Provide your full name, registered email, and explain that the forgotten username recovery failed. Their team will verify your identity and restore access quickly. Most users assume their account is lost or locked, but the reality is simple. Kaching removed usernames to simplify login and enhance security. So don't worry, your account and funds are safe. Use your registered email, reset your password if needed, and you'll be back using Kaching seamlessly.